Above the clouds, where the very air thins into legend, entire civilizations have thrived for millennia against impossible odds. We are about to journey into the heart of these sky kingdoms to uncover the secrets etched into their stones and coded into their very DNA. This is not a story of mere survival, but a testament to human evolution unfolding at the rooftop of the world. We will explore how these communities engineered solutions that defy modern science and built a spiritual world so profound it reshapes our understanding of existence itself. Prepare to witness a legacy of resilience so powerful it seems to defy the fundamental laws of biology and time. Geneticists from the University of California, Berkeley, have been utterly captivated by the physiological marvels of the Sherpa and Tibetan peoples, whose bodies exhibit an extraordinary adaptation to low-oxygen environments through a specific gene variant, EPAS1, which was inherited from the ancient Denisovans and allows for a more efficient use of oxygen without the dangerous overproduction of red blood cells. This biological inheritance, a living relic from a lost hominid species, manifests in their incredible endurance, allowing them to perform astonishing feats of strength and stamina at altitudes that would incapacitate or even prove fatal to most other humans, transforming the world's most formidable mountain range into a nurturing homeland. Furthermore, this genetic blueprint is not merely a passive trait, but an active, dynamic system that has allowed for the flourishing of complex societies, vibrant trade, and profound philosophical traditions in a place where science once predicted human life would be unsustainable. In addition to their unique blood chemistry, these communities have developed specialized metabolic pathways that optimize energy production from sparse food sources, a testament to the relentless and elegant power of natural selection, shaping humanity at its most extreme frontier. The ancient trade routes that snaked through these towering peaks were not just conduits for salt and silk, but were vibrant arteries of cultural and technological exchange, where the clatter of yak bells and the murmur of a dozen different languages echoed through treacherous passes carved by glaciers millennia ago. These high-altitude corridors, far more perilous than the famed Silk Road of the lowlands, demanded an unparalleled knowledge of astronomy, meteorology, and geology, with traders navigating by star patterns reflected in glacial ice and listening for the subtle sounds of shifting snow that foretold avalanches. The architectural marvels that served as their waypoints, fortress monasteries known as dzongs, were constructed using cantilevered bridges and rammed earth techniques, so sophisticated that modern engineers are still studying their astonishing resilience to earthquakes and the brutal freeze-thaw cycle. Because these routes were so isolated, they also fostered the development of unique artistic styles and belief systems, creating a mosaic of human heritage preserved in the cold, thin air like a museum exhibit curated by the mountains themselves. Life within these communities is governed by a deep, symbiotic relationship with the unforgiving landscape, a connection visible in their unique agricultural practices, such as the cultivation of cold-resistant barley in terraced fields that climb impossibly steep mountainsides, irrigated by ancient systems of channels that meticulously guide glacial meltwater. Their architecture is a masterclass in passive solar design, with homes built from stone and mud, featuring south-facing windows and thick walls that absorb the intense high-altitude sunlight during the day and radiate warmth through the frigid, star-filled nights. The air itself is scented with the distinct, sacred aroma of burning juniper wood, a constant ritual of purification that mingles with the earthy smell of yak butter tea, a high-calorie beverage essential for generating body heat and sustaining life above the treeline. Moreover, the very sounds of the villages are a unique symphony of existence, from the low hum of monks chanting their mantras to the rhythmic clinking of artisan hammers on metal and the constant, gentle spinning of prayer wheels powered by wind and water, each rotation sending blessings out into the vast, silent expanse. The spiritual heritage of the Himalayas is a profound tapestry woven from the ancient animistic beliefs of Bon and the intricate philosophical systems of Tibetan Buddhism, creating a worldview where every mountain, lake, and river is imbued with a powerful, living consciousness that must be respected and appeased. This belief system is not an abstract philosophy, but a practical guide to living in harmony with a powerful environment, dictating everything from the placement of homes to avoid disturbing local deities to the timing of planting seasons based on astrological charts of staggering complexity. Towering monasteries, clinging to sheer granite cliffs like eagles' nests, serve as vital centers of learning, preserving immense libraries of hand-printed texts on medicine, astronomy, and metaphysics that contain knowledge lost to the outside world for centuries. In addition to formal religious practice, This spirituality permeates daily life through the vibrant, fluttering prayer flags that carry intentions on the wind and the meticulously constructed stone mani walls, some stretching for miles, where travelers add their own carved prayers to a collective, ever-growing monument of faith. Although these communities represent one of humanity's greatest triumphs of adaptation, they now stand at the precipice of a new and unprecedented challenge, as global climate change is causing the Himalayan glaciers, their sacred lifeblood, to melt at a rate faster than anywhere else on Earth. This rapid environmental shift threatens not only their ancient systems of agriculture and their access to fresh water, but also risks unleashing catastrophic glacial lake outburst floods that could wipe out entire valleys, erasing centuries of accumulated history and wisdom in a single, devastating event. The elders, who hold the keys to generations of ecological knowledge and oral histories, now watch with deep concern as traditional weather patterns dissolve into chaos, making their time-tested survival strategies increasingly obsolete in the face of unpredictable storms and droughts. Yet, in the face of this existential threat, the same spirit of resilience that allowed them to conquer the world's highest peaks is now being channeled into innovative solutions, blending ancient knowledge with modern technology to build a sustainable future against the odds. What we are witnessing is not the end of a story, but a pivotal chapter in the epic of human ingenuity, a living laboratory of adaptation that holds profound lessons for all of us. These communities are not relics of a forgotten past. They are pioneers of the future, demonstrating how a deep connection to the environment and an unbreakable social fabric can foster resilience in the face of planetary-scale challenges. Their heritage teaches us that the highest peaks of human achievement are not measured in altitude, but in the capacity for wisdom, compassion, and the unwavering will to thrive. We are beginning to understand that the secrets to our own survival may not be found in looking out at the stars, but by looking up to the people who have long lived among them. This is the enduring legacy of the roof of the world, a story of humanity at its most extreme and its most inspired. It is a powerful reminder that our greatest strength lies in our ability to adapt, to innovate, and to hold on to the heritage that makes us who we are. The people of the Himalayas are not just surviving. They are showing the rest of the world how to truly live.